What is gorilla arm syndrome? And is there a way of fixing it and never getting it? Well, I'm going to spoil and say yes, there is a way of never getting it, and I will tell you at the end of this video. So first off, what is gorilla arm syndrome and why is it even called that? So I'm not gonna lie, I'm being real. This is like the worst name for a syndrome I've ever heard about in my life. I didn't even know it existed until one of my subscribers said something in the comments about having it. So I did some research, like a good little fellow. But in simple terms, this is just a name of an injury that you get from playing VR. But we play VR all the time, and some of you might not even have this. So what do you do to actually get this injury? Well, first of all, it's really simple. You get it by using your arms while playing your favorite games. And you have to be using your arms a lot. With gorilla arm syndrome, you'll be feeling very uncomfortable. Your shoulders will be feeling terrible. And if you ever feel your arms get tired after playing, you might be experiencing the beginnings of gorilla arm syndrome. Literally every VR game though makes you use your arms. I mean, have you ever played a VR game where you sit down and you use thumbsticks? No. But there are certain VR games that will literally make it 100 times worse for you. And those games are, I'm not gonna lie, I don't even know why I said games plural. There's only one game I have in mind, that's Gorilla Tag, if we're being real. Now, if you're thinking that gorilla arm syndrome was named after Gorilla Tag, you'd be wrong. Nice try though. The only reason why it's called gorilla arm syndrome is because apparently when you get the injury or you look like a gorilla, I don't know, bro. I'm gonna have a screenshot of the reason why. Gorilla arm syndrome is just a term that's used to describe the fatigue and like the discomfort that you get from playing VR. So how do you prevent this and how do you never get it again? So there are a couple of ways. The first way to prevent this, and a lot of you guys may not like it, so please hold on to your seats and tape your mouth shut if you got something bad to say, because what I'm about to say you might not like. And that way to prevent is stop playing VR. That's kind of extreme. Don't actually stop playing VR fully. What I really mean is take breaks or play less, and then the injury will happen less. Come on, man. You won't get it as much. Like 200 IQ play. If you've never thought about this before, you're welcome. But if you don't want to get this shoulder strain, this gorilla arm syndrome, the second way, and I promise you guys, this is going to help. And this was actually going to turn you into a goat, right? And you want to know what? It's really simple. Just go work out your arms, right? If you want to look like me or Johnny Bravo or Sylvester Stallone or John Cena, nobody really knows what he looks like. The only way is to just work out those arms and shoulders. Now, of course, if you're a hater, you've already got skinny pool noodle arms, right? My subscribers were already jacked. You guys don't even have to worry about it. But for my haters out there with those little slinky arms, right? If you hit the gym, you'll be all right. And then you will never get this injury ever again. There's not much else to say. Good luck, twin.